how to fix lagging and dropping frame rate iPhone 15. Since there are so many complaints about lagging on iPhone 15, there are some solutions to solve it. The first one is go to your settings and hit on general. Then scroll down and shut down your iPhone for 20 to 30 seconds and restart your iPhone again. This might help to solve this problem. The other way you can do is you can check for software update. If there are any update available, then please do update your system. Then go back to general and scroll down. There you can see iPhone stories. If there is any app that you are not using, then you can simply delete it and help to solve lagging problem on iPhone 15. The other way to solve this problem is making sure that your iPhone battery is not in low power mode. Turn your low power mode, then it might solve your lagging problem in iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Still there is lagging problem, then you can simply reset your phone to solve this problem. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.